Your butterscotch, Rorschach eyes, I get lost in the ink blots. I see me in mirrors, I see pain and love, I see our kids. I'm like wet paint, you suffocate from my fumes in the room. I'm that kind of sadness that you hate, but you loved my mind all the same. Now I'm weak to your touch, to your warm breath on my neck. It's not where you slept that hurts, it's the scent from your pillow on my bed. So I'll stay wrecked from vices that keep me up all night. Just get out of my head, let me sleep and let me forget. Beauty is unparalleled. I try to keep my eyes wide shut, but my heart still yearns for what was once but now lost. You're exhibitionist, I only needed your eyes. You're that Hollywood babble that I hate, but I love your voice all the same. Now new women in my bed to help with the nights of loneliness. They love what I can't give, 'cause you still hold it. When you kissed me, I felt your wind pushing in my lungs. Felt like unity, but somehow you fall deeper in his arms. I threw out the drugs, that pillow lost your scent. But when I fell asleep, I saw you in a dream. You were wearing a white dress in a chapel with Chilean women sitting on the left. Your mom pulls me aside and says some superstitions. In Spanish she gives me a blessing, then I wait. Este corto all amor y este largo el